Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how to check Bluetooth device name in a Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to check your Bluetooth device name, so guys you can check. And guys, now let's see how to check Bluetooth device name in a Xiaomi phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's start the video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting. Then guys, you can see your Bluetooth settings. So guys, tap here. Then guys, click on device name. So guys, you can check your device name from here. Guys, your Bluetooth device name is Xiaomi. And guys, you can see this additional setting. Guys, you can see your Bluetooth block list. Guys, you can check from here. Show Bluetooth device without names. Guys, you can on from here. Pair setting. Guys, pair and pair setting. So I hope friends you have understood how to check Bluetooth device name in a Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.